When the only certainty is uncertainty, those with courage forge a new path. Our story begins in turbulent 1805. Napoleon's army will soon retreat from occupied Geneva, and Pictet is created, a firm destined to invent and think ahead. Geneva becomes a scientific and intellectual hub, a visionary and a fertile ground for a new venture. In this environment, Edouard Pictet Prevost, an explorer at heart, recognizes that the constant acquisition of knowledge is the key to unlocking new opportunities. He travels extensively, finding emerging market investments in railways, reinsurance, shipping, and glassworks. Discovering underdeveloped markets for clients becomes an area of expertise. In the 1990s, Pictet becomes one of the first firms to offer emerging market strategies and drives innovation in the asset class until today. But these are not the only groundbreaking steps the firm takes. In the 1890s, Ernest Pictet, inspired by engineers and forward thinkers in agronomy, buys struggling farming estates in Tuscany, modernizes them, and sells the thriving ventures, an early foray into a strategy now known as private equity. Refined over the years, it leads Pictet to become the first European investment house to offer clients US private equity and hedge fund investments at the turn of the millennium, a move that has ensured the firm remains a leader in alternative assets to this day. In the same spirit, another Pictet started a legacy that continues to define how we invest for our clients. A keen photographer, Guillaume Pictet sees the world through a different lens. In 1910, he lays the cornerstone of perhaps the most well-known industry innovation driven by Pictet, thematic investing. While competitors propose a medley of investments, he starts to focus on a single theme: the electrification of cities in the new world. Thematic investing develops into a trademark of Pictet. The launch of its iconic water strategies in 2000 is followed by other strategies, and as the approach becomes mainstream, Pictet remains at the forefront. But the constant acquisition of knowledge is not enough to remain a pioneer. It takes more than daring individuals to sustain progress. If you think in centuries, you need a formula, and for Pictet, that formula is the salon. A small group of partners, 3 generations, family and outsiders, independent. It combines unconventional thinking with hard-won experience, and decisions are made together. Imagine a rough stone in a river, carried downstream and buffeted by the current. With time, it loses its uneven surface, becomes smooth and polished. That's how pioneering ideas turn into long-term success. When the only certainty is uncertainty, those with courage forge a new path. The Pictet of today retains the pioneering drive of its founders, balancing a long-term view with a desire to keep innovating generation after generation.